Excellence drives true impact. At A STAR, we celebrate scientists and engineers whose work powers enterprises, industries, and Singapore's deep tech future. Through Tee Up, these awardees exemplify partnership, translation, and scientific achievement.
I've always believed science should improve lives. When I joined AMILI through the Tee Up program, it was a chance to put that belief into action. AMILI is Asia's first precision microbiome company, working on gut health solutions tailored for our region. One of their toughest challenges was finding a way to quickly and reliably test how food ingredients affect the gut. I saw this as an opportunity to take microbiome science beyond theory and make it practical, something that could help companies create products that are healthier and more relevant for the people who use them every day.
At AMILI, we are building a gut health analytics platform so that our collaborators can develop food and supplements to improve human health. We needed someone who could bridge the gap between research and industry. That's why Germaine was so valuable. She built a rapid assay platform and a microbial strain library, which allowed us to test food ingredients and gut health solutions at scale. Her work didn't just help us launch new products. It gave us a competitive edge as we move into functional nutrition and digital gut health tools.
During my secondment, I focused on refining the rapid assay platform to help companies quickly identify functional ingredients and select targeted prebiotics. These assays have already supported 15 industry clients, ranging from multinational food companies to local SMEs. The microbial strain library is now used in both commercial and public health projects. By refining our culturing methods, we made it scalable across different populations. For me, the most rewarding part is seeing our work move from lab into solutions that improve people's well-being. We proved that science could move from the lab into solutions that change everyday lives.
And now we are taking technology from lab into space to connect the world in new ways. I've always been inspired by projects that stretch the limit of what technology can do. When I joined Transcelestial through Tee Up, it was a chance to take research in optics and apply it to something that could transform global communication. The company was working on wireless laser communication, a technology that could send huge amount of data across cities and even into space. What excited me the most was this wasn't just a research problem. It was about building tools that could one day help connect people everywhere, no matter how remote, with faster and more reliable communication than ever before.
At Transcelestial, our vision is to create a global communication network powered by lasers, no cables, no limits. To achieve that, we need specialized expertise in optics, in system design, and Rohith brought that with him. He developed tools that made our testing faster, more precise. His contributions are now part of our core R&D capability, and they laid the foundation for Singapore's first intersatellite laser communication mission. Rohith didn't just help us solve problems, he helped us move closer to space-ready deployment.
My work at Transcelestial focused on making our laser communication system more accurate and reliable. I designed a beam emulator that simulated up to 30 kilometers of free space propagation inside the lab. I also created calibration system that reduced geometric errors and sensor setup that cut noise tenfold, eliminating trial and error from the process. Together, these innovations cut calibration time by half and made our workflow much more repeatable. For me, the proudest moment is knowing that the tools I built here are helping take space-ready communication from concept to reality.
By turning science into solutions, we help companies innovate faster and bring new products to market.
And by bridging theory with real-world testing, we are pushing Singapore forward in health, in communication, and in global impact.